Nothing wrong with Colgate Optic White. I just wanted to switch it up because I had been using it for so long. I'm really into whitening toothpaste or like anything that makes my teeth white. I know that they can make your teeth more sensitive though, so I try to be mindful of that, but I just feel like whitening toothpaste works so well, and I've been using them for years and years, and I get compliments on my teeth a lot, and I think a lot of that is due to the whitening toothpaste that I use. So this is Crest 3D White. You might have heard about this before. Crest makes the white strip, so they're very popular for that. They've been around forever, very reputable company. They have all different types of toothpaste. I don't use any toothpaste that doesn't make my mouth feel minty. So I've tried like Sensodyne and stuff like that, and like I just feel like I don't get like that minty clean feeling after that I love when I use toothpaste like that. So I try to stick to whitening toothpaste and stuff like this. So this is the Radiant Mint. It removes up to 80% of surface stains. I drink red wine and coffee, so I try my best to brush my teeth whenever I can, at least twice a day. If I can, I like to brush at any time after I eat, but of course that's like not always possible because you're not always home to be able to do that. So it's 3 benefits in one. It whitens, strengthens, and protects your teeth. So it's an enamel safe whitening. I really like the look of the box. I like that it's like purple and pink and blue and like pretty colors, so that draws attention to it. We have the drug facts on here. Active ingredient sodium fluoride 0.243%, 0.15% with fluoride ion. The purpose is for anti-cavity toothpaste. And I have to say since I've been using this and like whitening toothpaste, I really haven't been getting any cavities. So I think a lot of that is also due to this. I haven't had a cavity in years. Warning, keep out of reach of children under 6 years of age. If more than used for brushing is accidentally swallowed, get medical help or contact the poison control center right away. Directions, adults and children 2 years and older, brush teeth thoroughly after meals or at least twice a day, or use as directed by a dentist. Do not swallow. To minimize swallowing, use a pea-sized amount in children under 6. Supervise children's brushing until good habits are established. Children under 2 years, ask a dentist. Drug facts continued. Inactive ingredients: water sorbitol, hydrated silica, disodium triphosphate, sodium lauryl sulfate, flavor, cellulose gum, sodium hydroxide, sodium sarakin, carbomer, mica, titanium dioxide, and blue one. And it's a Procter & Gamble, that's the distributors in Cincinnati, Ohio, and then the www.crest.com for more information. Strengthens enamel and against future stains. Satisfaction guaranteed. Crest 3D White will provide you with a whiter smile guaranteed. If you are not satisfied with your results, Crest 3D White will send you a prepaid card in the amount of your purchase. Simply return your receipt and package UPC within 60 days of purchase. Limit to 1 refund per person. So I've never had to do that because I'm always happy with Crest products, and I feel like they are reasonable, and you could order them online or get them in the store, and a lot of times you could also like find a coupon for this as well as the white strips, because I know that those can get pricey. So sometimes I'll get a coupon in the mail for like 5% off or whatever. Pretty sure you could probably find it cheaper online than in the store, but just a recommendation. So whitens by polishing away surface stains, fights cavities, and refreshes mouth. Your teeth will feel so fresh. Your mouth will just feel so fresh after brushing. Like you just feel confident. Like I'm in people's faces all day for work, so like I always want to make sure I have fresh breath. That's always very important to me. And this definitely does a good job of that. So let's open up the bottle and take a look. Or the tube rather. It's like a blue color, pretty thick. I just put like, I don't know, small amount like the directions say on my toothbrush, and I try not to brush too hard. I kind of just try to go in like downward strokes, and then I definitely like try to get in the back and brush my tongue, because I feel like a lot of times like if you do have bad breath, it comes from your tongue, so you really have to get in there and make sure it's clean. And I always brush for like at least a minute, if not longer, without trying to brush too hard, because that can lead to other issues. So if you guys are looking for a great whitening toothpaste that's affordable and that works, definitely try Crest 3D White. Not only will it leave your teeth white and shiny, but it would also leave your mouth really fresh and clean, and you'll feel like just more confident about, you know, talking to people. And yeah, so I hope you guys go out and try it, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching, guys.